Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Bolt, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your time and date. So first you want the vehicle on, which currently this one's on. Then we'll go to your options here, and then settings. And then from here, the top one, time and date. Since typically auto set usually works right, but for whatever reason it's not, we'll just do the manual set. So here, and you go up or down as needed. And that's it for that. And then if you want military time or not, just right here. And it just keeps auto changing every time you click. Auto saving. So same with date. Select and then up or down as needed. In my case, it's already all correct, but that's the process. I hope that was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.